Welcome to DocMark, branded documents at enterprise scale. If your organization produces client deliverables, board packs, or regulatory reports, you already know the challenge. Every output has to look right every single time. DocMark is the system that makes that automatic. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you what DocMark does, who is using it, and exactly how much time and money it can save a practice like yours. Let's start with the problem. Across consulting, financial services, government, and real estate, document formatting is consuming massive amounts of professional time. Analysts reapply corporate templates by hand. Designers manually fix colors and fonts before every client submission. Senior partners spend time checking formatting that should have been right from the start. This is invisible waste. It doesn't appear on any project budget, but it costs real money. And it compounds the larger your organization becomes. So what exactly does DocMark do? The system operates in 4 steps. First, it ingests your raw data, Excel workbooks, PDF, database feeds, whatever your workflow already produces. Second, it derives and renders a fully branded output, a slide deck, a Word report, a spreadsheet, or a narrated video with your exact corporate branding applied automatically. Third, it verifies every output against your brand specification before anything is delivered. And fourth, it returns a print-ready file directly into your workflow. No manual formatting, no QA loop. The key word is automatic. DocMark doesn't assist with formatting, it replaces it entirely. DocMark is built for any organization where brand standards are non-negotiable. Commercial real estate firms use it to produce valuations and pitch books at scale. The same quality whether a team is in London, Singapore, or Chicago. Management consultancies use it to eliminate the formatting bottleneck at the end of every engagement. Government and public sector teams use it to produce auditable, standards-compliant outputs with a full provenance trail. And financial services firms use it for fund reporting and investor communications, where a brand error is never acceptable. What these organizations share is a stringent branding requirement and a high volume of deliverables. That is exactly where DocMark delivers its return. Let me give you a concrete number. Take a 500-person advisory practice. Each consultant produces 3 client deliverables a month, and on average, each one requires 4 hours of manual reformatting before it can be delivered. That is 72,000 hours per year, wasted on work that adds 0 intellectual value. At a blended rate of $80 per hour, that is $5.7 million in labor that exists purely because of a formatting problem. DocMark targets an 80% reduction in reformatting time. That is a saving of $4.6 million per year. The enterprise license for a practice this size is $120,000 annually. The payback period is less than 10 days. This is not a productivity improvement. This is a structural cost elimination. The proof of DocMark's value is not just the time saved, it's the quality guarantee. Every file produced by DocMark is verified against your brand specification before it is delivered. Colors, fonts, layout, logo placement, all checked automatically. Non-compliant output is caught and corrected inside the system. It is never silently delivered to a client. The result is a compliance score that consistently approaches 100% without a single manual check. Your brand team stops being a bottleneck. Your partners stop chasing formatting. Your clients always receive work that looks like it came from one team, not 20. DocMark supports 2 deployment models, and the right choice depends entirely on your data handling requirements. The Cloud API option gets you up and running in days. Your data is protected by a standard enterprise data processing agreement, and you pay for what you use. Zero egress option is for environments where data simply cannot leave your control. The render tier runs inside your own infrastructure, your VPC, your data center, and nothing travels outside your perimeter. Every file is generated locally with a full audit trail. Both options deliver the same output quality, the same brand compliance, and the same feature set. The choice is purely about where the processing happens. Getting started is straightforward. In week 1, we onboard your brand specification, extracting it from your existing templates in a single call. In week 2, you choose one business unit and one document type for the pilot. We configure the pipeline and generate your first automated outputs. In weeks 3 and 4, your team validates quality, we tune, and your IT and security teams complete their review for any on-premises configurations. By day 30, you go live, full team access, production deployment, ongoing support. To start the conversation, visit docmark.md/contact and book a pilot call. We typically respond within 1 business day. DocMark, reclaim 80% of your document production time, every deliverable, every time, on brand. Branded, verified, delivered. Thank you for your time. Visit docmark.md or book a pilot call at docmark.md/contact.